Okay.
Hi!
Hello, good evening. Welcome to Leo's Talk.
And today, we have a very special guest. Our very, very close friend, screamer performer,
Oh my God.
environmentalist, animal advocate, Ashley Monsanto. Yay!
Call me Allison, guys. Allison. Okay.
Thank you, Ash, for joining us today.
My pleasure.
Okay, so Leo's Talk, actually, we started this podcast. Wala lang kasi we wanted to parang talk about ano yung mga balitang trending during the week. Kasi, of course, di ba, especially when we're together, ang dami nating pinag-uusapan, ang dami nating views and opinions, not necessarily fact-checked.
Like, views
Yeah.
and opinions like it matters, but it doesn't.
Yeah, so...
And it comes naturally when we talk, di ba? We're
So,
together.
naisip namin, okay, why not do it like on a weekly basis? Maybe top 3 topics na gusto natin i-cover. And we really, really wanted you to join kasi you're very opinionated.
Oh my God,
You
I'm
are
not sure
full
if
of-
it's a good
Yeah,
thing.
very full of wisdom.
Oh,
diba?
right.
So, feeling ko, especially
And
yung
deep.
topic ng ano?
Meaning,
Bias, or-
meaning palagi may sinasabi, di ba?
Yes. Okay.
For today's episode, with show light lang tayo.
Alright, okay.
How
I
We
like
light?
will
that.
touch a bit of political. Like, let's start with...
What's
masasabi?
the question? What's the thing that we need to talk about?
I don't
Or
like
do we
it.
like billionaires who enter politics?
We're on, let's share
Yeah.
our ideas. So, yeah, yun.
What
Billionaires
can you say
entering
about that?
politics.
Ako, no.
Tapos nagpupolitika pa. Wala ba silang karapatan, first thing? Or is it something fishy?
It's going back to, ano ba yung public service? For me, ha? As a public servant, ano ba yung objective mo? To help the people, di ba?
To serve the
To
public.
serve the public.
And also to empower them, not lang help ha.
So-
Kasi
so
dapat
parang-
ini-empower din natin sila to be better.
Yes,
But-
so, for
okay.
me, parang, yun yung main objective mo, yun yung main goal mo as a public servant. So, if you're wearing multiple hats, kasi businessman ka rin, tapos millionaire ka, ang dami mong
Interests.
interest, di ba? May private, ka rin, interest ka rin. Parang, how
first
can you
thing-
serve? How can you serve your, your country?
Siguro ang point ko lang dyan, if mayaman ka na, if billionaire ka na, one thing, you can always enter politics kasi you have the resources.
Yes.
Number 1, meaning kaya mong pagalawin lahat kasi may pera ka. Pero ang tinatanong natin dito, para saan? I mean, sabihin natin meron silang good heart, they want to help people, pero
Good
ano
heart
yung mas
is very
questionable?
Mahirap kasing, mahirap kasing i-measure
cannot
yung
be
good
gay.
heart. Yung even the intent
I can
is
say that I
something.
have a good heart.
Yeah, even the intent
Oo,
it's something that you cannot
Pero,
measure.
sige, one thing nga yun, meaning you have the resources. Kumbaga, resources to help you win elections. Second one, parang you feel like meron kang influence kasi kaya mong pagalawin nga ang mga stakeholders.
Isa pa yung
Or-
you need resources para tumakbo.
Ay, sana hindi nga.
Sana hindi. Kasi nagiging vehicle siya for further corruption. Kasi ang nangyayari, gagawa sila ng paraan para maka-raise ng fund para mangkampanya. Kung hindi man pera nila, kung pera nila yon, babawiin nila yon through what? Extra money, corruption, di ba? Kung hindi naman, meron silang mga sponsor. Kung sponsor nila yon, since sponsor sila,
May kapalit.
may kapalit yun, di ba? You have to pass this bill, you have to protect this and that. Alam mo yun?
This
di ba?
companies, these businesses. Pero meron pa akong isang perspective dyan.
Okay.
Like, if mayaman ka na, magkukorrupt ka pa ba? Oh, how can we answer that?
Oo.
Okay.
Greed
has
knows no boundary.
Oo.
Exactly. Di ba? Di ba, Diskaya? Oh.
Who are they again?
Ang point ko, walang limit.
Example talaga na.
Isipin mo si
They're
ano.
saying probably sa mga local campaigns na
Lagi kasi
hindi na
nila
kami mangungurap kasi mayaman na
Exactly,
kami.
that's my point.
Pero,
yan
mind
yung
you,
lagi nilang sinasabi during during nung campaign, 'di ba?
I haven't watched any
Hindi na
campaign
kasi
na
kami mga rakot kasi mayaman na kami. My God. 'Di ba? Look at how
Look what
Oo.
happened.
look at what happened.
The takeaway is, hindi basis na mayaman yung kandidato sabihin.
For me, kung papasok ka sa public service, dapat talagang iwas na yung mga milyonaryo, bilyonaryo, yung may mga malalaking company private stake, for me kung may
If there's a law that can prohibit
exactly,
them.
like meron ngang law for meron nga tayong constitution na anti-dynasty, hindi mapasa-pasa kasi so it's in the same
Pero,
level.
sasabihin ko sa inyo, parang nung mga unang panahon, di ba yung mga dato-dato natin, yung mga leader ng mga tribo, it's either powerful ka because malakas ka, or powerful ka kasi marami kang angkan, or powerful ka kasi marami kang resources. So, parang sa
Pero iba
part
kasing
siya.
dynamics before
Sa
to
ngayon.
now. The resources are different, the population
Pero
is
how can we
different.
prohibit them from joining politics?
We can.
We can. We can through
But we can-
batas.
But they're still the one na nagagawa ng batas. Na
We have the
That's
election.
yun nga yung paradox
That's the
doon.
problem.
Yun yung paradox doon na we know exactly what we want but hindi
Kasi they're
siya,
also protecting
kasi
themselves.
sila lang din yun. Parang yung investigation ngayon, sila lang din yung nag-iimbestigahan sa sarili nila.
Correct.
So it's never going to parang there's no chance for us to really 100% figure out or pinpoint yung mga tao involved.
Yes.
Meron yung scapegoat, meron yung magiging scapegoat.
Alam nyo yung, ang sa akin
Parang
lang,
dami.
ang thought ko dito talaga, we are in a democratic country. Meaning, yung mga decisions should always come from the people. Pero naniniwala ako, based on my understanding and being a public servant also, di ba? Kasi I work for the government. Naniniwala ako na I believe na, parehas lang yun, no? Nakikita ko, while democratic yung sistema natin, hindi nanggagaling talaga sa tao ang mga
Hindi
decisions.
talaga.
Kasi, kulang talaga tayo dun sa like, parang yung empowerment na word gasgas na, pero kailangan talagang, if you're a taxpayer,
No,
kailangan mo talagang singilin kung saan napupunta ang tax mo. Kasi everyone's paying taxes naman, di ba? Tayo.
Yes. They're
Actually,
ruling by manipulation not
Yung
empowerment.
about paying taxes,
Correct.
kahit daw hindi ka talaga direct na nagbabayad taxes if you buy goods, groceries. Kasi
Yeah,
hindi
bad.
mapat yun.
Kaya nga.
So, hindi mo masabi din na yung mga nag-work lang, sila lang yung nagbabayad ng taxes. Kasi if you are consuming goods, it's good
Nagsimula yan
nagbabayad
kay?
ka rin ng taxes.
Correcto yung nagsimula.
Even owning
Iba.
properties, you own land, you own condo, you own whatever, you pay tax. Everything, every time you own something, you get something, you pay the government something.
Yeah. Even
Yeah.
if you're earning, ha?
Even if you're earning.
Even meron kang savings sa bank, meron na rin yung tax.
Nakatax
So,
na.
tinatax na lahat. So, sinasabi ko lang yung yung, like for example, ako bawas talaga yung tax. Tapos yung sa private naman, di ba minsan, you have to pay talaga yung tax directly.
Yung
Nothing's
private,
wrong.
wala kang tax.
Pero basically, ibang topic naman yung taxation.
Yeah.
Pero I believe that yung mga ganyang usapin, kailangan talaga ng Pilipinas, ng Pilipino, na maging maging proactive ka kung saan
To be
napupunta ba
fair,
talaga.
To be fair, I think mas how would you say, mas nag-iisip, mas
Critical thinking.
mas nagsuscrutinize ngayon yung mga tao. Kasi nung dati, like nung time nung PDAF, whatever, 100 million, 200 million, ngayon, trillion
Billions.
pesos. Alam mo yun, parang ang liit-liit na, pag tinitingnan ko yung 1 billion, parang ang liit-liit niya. Isang project lang. Alam mo yun? Yung corruption. So parang in a way, nakaka-bother siya to a point na talagang lahat may say na.
So talagang may mga talaga tayo. Nire-rule lang tayo or manipulate tayo ng ilang
Yeah, they rule by manipulation talaga.
ilang percentage ng population. Pero yung mga Pinoy, sana let's improve pa yung education system. Kasi, ako for example siguro before I ask for your opinion about this, bata pa lang ako, di ba we were taught not to be makabayan?
Yeah.
Pero hindi ko alam bakit hindi nangyayari yan for all. Kasi ako talaga
Alam ko naman,
yung simple
kasi
pagtatapon
kailangan
ng basura.
government.
Oo, makabayan.
Yeah. Ako, lagi kong sinasabi about paano ba mawawala yung corruption. Wala nang pag-asa sa generation natin. I'm sorry to say. I mean, practically speaking, mahirap na. It's a radical change. So, yung radical change na sinasabi ko, dapat yung next generation na.
Yeah.
What? Through instilling pagiging makabayan. Totoo yun,
Nationalistic talaga.
Nationalistic view. Na
Guys,
parang, yung kanina na hindi family lang, yung pang sarili lang, diba, na interest.
Country first before God
Exactly.
and family. Well, mahirap yun kasi iba yung culture natin. Pero, if you want your country to improve, talagang bata pa lang,
Exactly.
country before God. Yung
Pero
family,
from
nandun
what
naman
I
na
know,
yun.
hindi ba
Country
instill
talaga.
yun sa atin?
Number one na natutunan natutunan ko yan sa when we were younger.
Baka hindi ka na...
Magiging
Panatang
makabayan.
Tinuturo yun sa atin.
Oo nga, pero panatang makabayan lang yun. Hindi ka kasi...
Hindi, medyo siguro hilaw. Hilaw pa yung pagpapaano sa atin.
hindi pa ganun.
bayan
Or I
muna.
think, din, malaking factor din yung
Hindi
parents
yung...
natin. Or yung mga adults. Kasi nakikita natin, di ba, on how they vote, yung pattern.
Yeah, but hindi naman tayo
Pero yung thought lang na, for example, elementary pa lang or high school na, yung pagnanakaw or yung corruption is equivalent to pagpatay. Alam mo yung ganon? Na it's an inherent
It's kadiri.
evil. Na parang, pag ginawa mo yun, it's equivalent to that, evil ka.
You know what?
Yung ganong thought na lumalaki ka.
Meron akong narinig lang or nakita na sa isang bansa daw, parang hindi tinanggap yung Philippine money because galing daw sa...
Oo, narinig ko rin yun.
Galing daw sa... Ibig sabihin, ganun kakadiri yung tingin nila sa
Atin.
dirty money. So, sana magawa natin.
Hindi kasi daw nila alam, baka nila-launder lang.
Launder lang.
Sana ma-improve
Pero at
natin
least,
yan.
parang it's one way then to, to lessen. Or...
Well, hindi ko alam kasi kultura ba na 'di ba sa atin mahalaga talaga ang pamilya. Pamilya. Pero kung iisipin mo, if you think beyond your family, iisipin mo what's good for everyone. Hindi naman tayo magiging socialist, 'di ba? Pero kailangan maging ka talaga, nationalistic.
Hindi, yung thought
love
na,
for country talaga na kasi the growth and improvement of your country sa'yo din yun mabalik, 'di ba?
Yeah, so we hope future generation will be better than us.
I
Well,
really
we can
hope.
only hope. Kailangan we have to also do
Ako expect talaga
something.
dapat.
Something
Hindi,
right now
ngayon, as
that
much as
will help
possible,
or guide the future generation.
ngayon, as much as possible, for me, wag nang masyadong quiet on the,
Ay,
alam mo yun, parang be vocal.
Be vigilant.
Oo.
Palagi.
Kasi, di ba, tayo, sobrang masyado tayong immersed dun sa personal whatever natin, life natin, na, okay, news lang yan, pero hindi. Parang, maging involved din sa news,
Yeah.
parang, slowly, hindi mo alam, kakapost mo, meron kang na-persuade na,
Tapos
Actually,
yung
all
thought
of us
na...
are influencers.
Yeah,
If
yung
you have a
thought
social
na...
media
At saka yung
account.
thought na okay na yan kasi yung corruption nandyan na yan.
Yeah,
Baguhin
no.
natin yan.
Oo.
Corruption is deadly. Corruption
Yes,
is a crime.
you know what, I said that very
Parang-
statement dati, nung sa summer yung corruption. And I will not name names, but,
Why not?
yung
Are you afraid?
Yung you know naman 'di ba na yung mga tao they're very into bigayan ng pera during election. It's a na siya. Practice na talaga siya.
Practice talaga siya. It's happening.
It's happening.
It's
so
not
parang
a joke.
ako, hindi ko alam kung sino kausap ko nung sinabi ko na hindi nila nare-realize na yung ginagawa nila na ganyan, na tumatanggap ng money, for example, tas bumuboto ng mga sure na corrupt, na bumuboto na sure na nangungurakot. Hindi nila alam na kasi nagbibigay naman ganun okay lang, boboto kasi nagbibigay kahit na magnakaw sila, parang ganun, di ba?
Oo, kasi may
Hindi nila-
nakukuha
Oo,
sila.
kasi may nakukuha sila. Ganun yung sentiments Hindi nila nare-realize, nakalimutan ko sinong kausap ko nito, sabi ko, hindi nila nare-realize, yun yung papatay sa kanila in the long run. How? Wala silang hospital. Kapag nagkasakit sila, di ba?
Healthcare.
Yung road, sobrang worst talaga. Like, mamamatay ka because you don't have the facilities, you don't have the necessary...
Namamatay ka na sa kalsada.
Yes, exactly.
And then, bakit kailangan mo mag-travel? Kasi sa lugar niyo, walang hospital.
Walang hospital, di ba? Ano yung nearest mo? Tacloban yung
Oo.
pinaka pwede talaga. Di ba? Kung wala doon, tas critical yung condition mo, wala na. Ka na lang,
At
magdasal
saka,
ka na lang.
going back to your story, kasi bata pa lang ako, narinig ko na to sa isang tricycle driver. Sabi niya, si ganito lang ang nagbigay sa amin ng bigas. So, okay na kung kawatan niya. Okay na kung magnanakaw kasi
Diba?
may
I
nakuha.
really-
Meaning, we still think individualistic. Meaning,
Yeah.
kung ano yung makukuha mo sa sarili mo, okay ka na.
Because they don't realize,
Yeah.
di ba? They don't realize by doing that in the long run.
Ano ba yung
na walang
long-term
na, di ba?
effect?
Walang, yung
Ano natin
instead
yan?
na sa mga education mapunta.
Let's discuss that in the next topic.
Yeah. So
Mas,
anyway,
may nabasa kasi ako about critical thinking, may merong politics, psychology. kung merong Maslow's hierarchy of needs, meron din mga equivalent sa politics. So, we can discuss it in our next
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Okay. I think that's my opinion for that.
Okay, so yun muna yung topic natin for politics.
Alright, so much for politics. Now let's move on to much lighter na. So, entertainment.
So light na talaga.
Okay.
So, last October 14, Tuesday, nag-concert si Mimi.
Okay.
Mariah.
Mimi! Ay, hindi. Mimi is...
Mariah Carey.
Mariah
Bakit nga ba
Carey.
Mimi ang tawag sa kanya?
Yun yung album niya,
Oo,
Emancipation of Me.
Last album?
No, matagal na. Yun yung ano niya, yun yung...
2004. Yung start
Prime
siya.
ba niya yun? Hindi.
Okay. Sige.
Hindi na masyadong prime, pero
Meron kasi
kung
kami...
prime niya, mga late prime.
You know what? Kasi si Mariah, favorite din kasi namin yan. Kasi sobrang grabe yung mga songs niya from before.
I like the songs.
Tsaka 90s babies tayo, di ba? So parang nung mga early 2000s, boom na boom
There's a
talaga siya.
hero.
Di ba?
I like her, but hindi ako fan, so...
No, fan kami.
She's just one of the singers.
But, fan kami, but, yung take ko dun sa...
Bakit di kayo nanonood ng concert if fan kayo?
Yun
Ito
na
na nga.
Ito na
So,
nga.
ito pala yung pag-uusapan.
Ito yung pag-usapan natin.
Okay.
Worth it ba yung concert ni Mimi?
Actually, hindi ko alam na may concert pala siya. Nalaman ko na lang nung nakita ko sa news.
Ako sa story.
Ako, I knew. Pero nung tinignan ko yung price, parang...
How much ba yung minimum?
hell no.
What's the minimum price for the concert?
Magkano ba yun? Pero yung, hindi ko na maalala yung minimum, pero yung parang VIP something nasa 20-something eh.
Two of my friends kasi watch, nakita ko sa story. And then, mga clips din sa TikTok and stuff. Sabi ko, concert na to? Sorry. It's a lip sync. Even if hindi ko nabasa yung comments, nakita ko, girl, it's like, she's just, mimicking whatever. But for me, I'm not sure kung style niya yun, pero talagang para siyang, walang buhay.
Hindi ka nga fan.
Hindi ka talaga fan. Hindi, ako naman.
Ay, hindi ako fan.
Ako naman, yung songs niya kasi stand out talaga.
Mm.
Like the moment na, yung, alam mo, kapag narinig mo yung mga songs niya na, yung maano ka talaga, pero, I wouldn't pay for that, parang price
Hindi.
to see her.
The songs naman are premium. Meaning, yung mga na-create niya na songs
Kaya
are
nga.
na-produce. Pero, we're talking about concert now.
About the performance.
Meaning,
Performance.
kasi ako, like for example, if you're really a singer until death, you have to perform.
I think,
Because I'm a screamer performer.
Okay.
I think I'm better than Mariah.
No,
No.
ako talaga, I've seen her concerts from the other, parang yung mga tours niya
Ano pala
earlier.
to?
Ay, pangano lang ng hair
Hindi ba may
ko.
sakit na siya kaya hindi niya kaya mag-live?
Hindi ko alam yung
Hindi ko
sakit.
alam.
May sakit ba siya?
Wala naman. Ang alam ko lang nagkakasakit yung isang singer. But
Ang alam ko lang, mga negative comments about her being lazy in the concert. So parang ako, sabi, kasi for example kung like si Taylor na bongga yung, diba, tapos, kung ganun yung level yung concert niya na performance level,
production.
I wouldn't mind.
you know what? Britney Spears is having problem, no? Pero pag nagpe-perform si Britney,
Perform.
performer
Kaya,
pa rin.
performer
Kahit
din.
lip sync yan,
Tsaka
performer
syempre,
rin.
Britney.
But ganito, guys. Ganito na lang.
fan
Britney,
ka.
bitch.
Kilala ko kasi si Mariah na hindi naman talaga siya sumasayaw, right?
Yes,
Pag
pero...
ganyan siya. Pero, being fans, I want to ask you guys. Kasi ako, I can see her that way na parang gano'n naman talaga siya.
Hindi talaga siya sumasayaw, pero todo birit everything. Makikita mo talaga. Ito,
Lifeless talaga siya.
Lifeless talaga. Yung mga
So it's a nerve.
It's a nerve.
It's a no for me.
Yeah. I mean, I still love her.
I'm like,
but,
I saw one clip, sabi ko, kawawa naman yung nagbayad. Nagbayad kayo for that?
I mean, I
You
still...
paid for
I
that?
guess if you, talaga, I mean,
Siguro if
it's
you're a
their
fan.
choice, it's their money.
Ganito.
Pero-
If you're a fan, okay ka na
Oo.
makita lang siya. I think that's what
Pero
I saw.
for me wag na siyang mag-concert kung wala doon yung puso niya.
Oh.
Kasi hindi naman siya disabled or anything, 'di ba? He's not even doing stunts.
Ilang taon na ba siya?
She's not that old.
Ilang taon? 50 plus?
I don't know. Can you check? Basta yun, for me,
56.
56.
Ay, bata pa yun.
Bata pa.
Girls, my mom can still run at
Di, ang
around
point ko,
60. The point
kung
is...
magko-concert ka, bring it,
Ay,
di ba?
you know what? Meron kasi akong nabalitaan before na,
Na?
si Mariah daw ay bias sa mga Filipino. Ano daw siya? Parang racist siya sa mga Pinoy.
parang
Does it have
grade school pa lang
to
tayo,
do
alam
with
natin
it?
yan, parang
Oo.
may negative comment siya kay Ate Reg.
Yeah.
Pero hindi lang naman siya sa Pilipinas ganun.
Oo.
Pero yung emotion
Ang
kasi
parang
wala.
divas.
Alam,
Wala
parang
talaga.
walang emotion. So parang her heart is not
Yeah,
there.
wala talaga.
So it's
yun.
a ner. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Mariah.
Ay, we're still drinking
Medyo
here.
tipsy na sila, so hindi ko na
Yeah, kanina pa,
kaya sabi
actually.
nila. So right now, punta na tayo sa informative section of our talk. So we're
Okay.
going to have a mini trivia. Mini trivia to.
Mini
So alam naman natin na in the past weeks,
What?
niyayanig tayo ng maraming lindol.
And what about it?
So different places in the Philippines. So I'm going to ask you guys,
About
let us review your knowledge
Oh my
about
God.
earthquake in general.
Oh
Okay.
my gosh.
Okay.
So I will ask a question, then if you already know the answer, you can answer right away. If you
Okay.
don't, I can give 2 options.
Okay.
Okay,
So
fair.
let's start.
Let's start.
I don't know.
Let's start.
What is
Okay.
squirting? Okay. Sorry.
Number 1, what causes an earthquake?
Tectonic movement.
Movements.
Plate tectonic
Okay.
movement.
So the choices are strong winds or movement of tectonic plates.
Madali
so,
naman ang mga
you can-
options.
Yeah, my God. I
So
don't
its
even know.
explanation, earthquake happens when tectonic plates
Trivia nga.
shift
Trivia siya.
and
Nagtitrivia siya.
release energy underground.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay?
I still know that.
So number 2, what do we call the point on Earth's surface directly above the Earth's origin?
Huh? The question is?
What do we call the point on Earth's surface directly above the earthquake's origin?
Epicenter?
Oh.
Oh!
Ka na.
Parang hindi maganda
Catch
yung
up,
questioning
Ash.
mo.
So,
Hindi maganda.
I'm bringing out your
Ano
competitive
yung
spirit.
anong isang option mo?
Focus, B epicenter. The correct answer is
Dapat kasi
epicenter, of
tig-iisa mo kami
course.
pinapasagot
Sige,
para
sige.
hindi man ako
Sige.
magmukhang bobo dito.
Noted.
Sorry.
The epicenter is the surface point right
Oh, ikaw
above
na. You will answer
where
the
the
next
earthquake
one.
Mahirap, ah.
starts.
Ano ulit?
Ano?
The epicenter is the surface point right above where the earthquake starts.
Oo, and
So,
AKA Bogo.
although,
Bogo ba sa Cebu?
Cebu? ng earthquake is kung saan
No,
siya
I'm
nang-
not.
kung
I'm
saan-
just saying.
I've been to that place sa San Remigio.
Kung saan siya nang, example, kung...
Cebu,
where-
di ba?
Bogo. Kung saan nangyari yung earthquake, akala ko...
Siyempre alam namin yun.
Di ko kasi ma-pinpoint. So,
Pero thanks
siya yung
for
sa
reminding us.
surface.
Yeah,
oo.
yeah.
Yung point sa surface. Hindi
Okay,
yung sa
next
ilalim.
trivia. Next question. Ashley will answer.
What instrument
My
measures
God.
earthquake strength?
Magnitude.
No!
I'm talking about...
Seismograph.
Yeah.
Ah, galing mo talaga. O, siya
So
na
the choices are A. Barometer, B.
Barometer is wind.
Wind.
Seismograph.
O sige, ako pa rin sasagot
A seismograph records vibrations in the ground caused by earthquakes. Babe, binagyan ka na ng first choice. Ano yung answer mo?
Wala kang choice.
Hindi kasi nag-magnitude ka na. Hindi ka nakinig sa
Hindi,
choices.
pero pala choices
Nag-option
yun.
siya pag di mo masagot.
Pero binigyan ka na ng first chance to answer. But you answered
Nag-sure ka kasi agad.
Sorry. Sorry na.
Next question. Who developed the first earthquake magnitude scale?
O, kaya mo bang sagutin? O, choice.
Oo, okay, choice.
Choice na lang kasi hindi ko alam.
A. Charles Richter, B. Alfred Wegener.
I think Alfred.
Ako, Charles.
Mali.
Richter.
Familiar ba kayo sa Richter scale,
alam ko
diba?
din.
Sa Rector's
So yung
scale.
seismograph, yung tinatawag sa inaano niya ata.
Yes. Pag sabi mo pa lang ng Richter, yun na.
The Richter scale created by Charles Richter in 1935 measures
But wait lang,
earthquake
bakit
magnitude.
frustrated ka? Sumasagot lang naman kami.
Wala lang, kasi parang,
Fix your face.
sorry, alam ko kasi to, so,
Hindi namin alam.
okay.
Oo nga.
Familiar siguro yung mga
Sige na,
ibang-
number 5. What is the scale most commonly used today to measure earthquake energy?
Earthquake energy. What is the what?
Measure.
Sige, intensity, di ba?
Choices. A. Mercalli scale. B. Moment magnitude scale.
Magnitude.
Magnitude?
B. Moment magnitude
Tama na,
scale
magnitude.
or
Diba
MW.
intensity, magnitude?
The moment
5.
magnitude scale replaced the Richter scale for more accuracy. So dati, luma pa pala yung Richter scale.
Yun yung luma, traditional.
Ngayon, MW na.
Eh bakit nangyari yun? Kung
Moment
sige nga tanungin ka
magnitude
namin kung
scale.
nag-research ka. Bakit
Pwede.
nag-move into magnitude? Gusto namin complete
That's for a different
information.
discussion, guys.
Oh my
Let's focus
God!
number
No.
6.
Can you note of that?
What is the focus of an earthquake? The city nearest the quake? Or the point underground where it starts?
B.
Where it starts.
Parang it's related sa kanina, no?
B.
The focus or hypocenter is where rocks
Yung
first break
pinagsimulan talaga.
underground.
Yeah.
Letter B.
Yun talaga, di ba?
Number 7. What are smaller earthquakes that follow a major one called?
Aftershocks. Ay, sorry! Sorry!
So yun, the answer is aftershocks. Choices, foreshocks. Foreshocks.
Ano yung foreshocks?
F-O-R-E.
Foreplay?
Foreshocks. And then,
Ay nako.
pero aftershocks happen as the crust adjusts after the main quake. So, di ba, after a major one, maraming mga maliliit na
Yeah.
record.
Sige,
Ito.
tanungin kita kung talaga nag-aaral
Ito.
ka.
Number 8.
Hanggang saan na pupunta ang aftershock? Anong measurement?
Oh my ganun.
Meters? Kilometers? Kung alam mo talaga, kung nag-aaral ka
Ang
talaga.
galing. Hindi ko alam
Hindi ko alam
yun.
yan.
Options.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi. Hindi mo kasama yan sa...
I think, guys,
Guys,
I think, wala nang pupuntahan.
hindi. Parang it's something to think about, di ba?
aftershocks
Note mo.
usually where it happened. That region.
Ano nga radius daw?
Kaya nga yung radius siguro. Kasi like for example, kunwari sa Cebu na ganyan.
Can we expect
sino ba yung
aftershocks
mag-worry dapat?
here
Sa
in
Cebu
Manila?
lang ba? Pwede
Cebu
mo
lang,
i-research later.
aftershocks.
So an immediate nga region.
Bakit aftershocks ang
Kung
tawag?
ano yung aftershocks, yung meaning is
After. Okay.
number 8 na. Wag mo nang explain kasi ano
Hanggang
lang to.
anong number to?
Hanggang 100. Number 8.
Sure ka?
Number 8. What type of wave causes the most damage? So, tinuro to sa atin nung high school earth science.
Oh my God. I have an
So,
answer, but I'm not
we have
sure.
choices, di ba? P waves or surface waves?
S-wave
S
yan.
waves, oh.
S-wave.
Alala ko pa yan.
S-
Ang galing ni Ash.
Siyempre, alam
So,
ko naman.
S waves or surface
Kailangan lang may
waves.
choices minsan.
Surface waves move along the
Alam ko yun,
ground
hindi ko makalimutan sa earth
and
science
cause
natin.
buildings to shake
Wait lang,
violently.
I'm gonna ask. Is this like first year, second year? Second year, no?
First year.
Earth science.
Earth science.
First
Si Ma'am Earth science.
Okay. Number
Sorry,
9. Which country experiences the most earthquakes
Japan.
per year? Aba, bumingin ko siya doon.
Galing.
Choices are Japan and Italy, but the correct answer is Japan.
Japan.
Japan sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire, making it highly quake-prone.
Yeah.
Number 10, related siya. What's the Ring of Fire?
Pacific?
What?
What is the Ring of Fire?
What do you mean what?
Collection of
Ano siya?
Pacific,
underwater
trench,
volcano?
trench.
Almost near.
Sige, ano yung option mo?
A belt of volcanoes and earthquakes around the Pacific.
Oh.
B, a desert in Australia.
Obvious
Eh.
naman.
Pero di nila kasi underwater, hindi lang underwater.
Hindi
a
lang siya
belt
under-
of volcanoes. So it can be above or underground. Underwater.
Akala ko underwater lang siya.
Hindi lang.
Okay.
The Ring of Fire circles the Pacific Ocean with many active faults and volcanoes. Number 11, which material can best withstand earthquake shaking? So, kung gumagawa ng
Options.
buildings. Parang ayaw nila mag-get. No, okay, options. A.
Hindi tayo engineer.
A. Reinforced steel and concrete. B. Brick and stone.
Brick
A.
and stone?
A. Brick and stone.
Ha?
Brick and stone.
Brick and stone?
Brick and stone! Siyempre,
steel.
the flexible materials, yung steel and concrete, can absorb vibrations better.
Reinforced,
reducing damage.
yes.
Sige. Akala ko nga ang sagot yan, mountain eh.
So, di ba sabi nga nila, yung mga newer buildings ngayon, mas mas safer.
Yeah, earthquake resistant.
Okay, thanks for that information.
Number 12, what should you do during an earthquake?
Duck cover and hole?
Duck, hold, and cover.
Binaligtad mo lang?
Drop, cover, and hold. Although, sa
Parehas
atin,
lang
duck
naman
din,
yun.
di ba?
Pareho lang yun,
Oh.
duck.
But, yung choices kasi, run outside, drop, cover, and hold. Siyempre, hindi ka natakbo palabas.
Parehas lang yung duck at saka drop.
Staying indoors and protecting your head is safest.
Yes,
during
guys,
earthquake.
please, during earthquake, stop moving.
Sabihin ako, trivia lang din. Dapat daw naka-duck talaga tayo. Hindi tayo naka-squat.
So kung wala kang
Dapat parang nakaluhod tayo kasi pag naka-squat, mas madali tayong
out of balance.
narinig ko yun sa
Kung wala
mga...
kayong helmet na pang-protect, ganyan agad kayo
Sa
sa
office
ulo
naman
niyo.
may helmet kami.
Di ba nakaganyan ka dapat?
Oh, may helmet kayo?
Para kayo...
Yung go bag, iwan ko
Sa
na
amin
yan.
din meron.
Pero dapat may
Helmet and go bag sa office.
Perfect.
Ay, wala akong helmet.
Pero kung wala kayong helmet, ganyan ka na sa ulo mo.
I'm gonna buy helmet.
Yeah. Perfect. Mamaya.
Yeah, magpapa-TikTok
Yung
na
helmet na pang construction na hindi yung pang ride.
Yeah. Pang-construction talaga sa amin.
Why are you laughing at the,
engineer,
moto helmet?
Hindi, kasi baka iba yung helmet na mabili mo. Yung just,
Yung pang
concern.
talaga, dropping services.
So number 13, what can large undersea earthquakes cause?
Tsunami.
Correct. So,
Huwag mo na explain, diretso ka na sa next.
Alam na namin yan.
Yeah, it's
Pag
obvious.
alam mo explanation,
Yeah.
number 14, which type of boundary causes the strongest earthquakes?
Oh, I don't know.
Question, options.
Options
Boundary?
A, transform or subduction boundaries. B, divergent boundaries.
Subduction.
Yes.
Yeah, kasi nagsisinasubduct sa baba.
These zones create intense pressure build up before release. So 15,
That's the last question.
no. For the ano to,
we
for the
still have
normal,
more.
for the global questions. What's the term for measuring how people feel an earthquake?
Oh my ganon.
Anxiety.
How I
How
feel.
people
Fear?
feel an earthquake?
Sige, option mo na lang.
Option.
A, magnitude. B, intensity.
Intensity.
Yes.
Intensity.
Kasi magnitude is the...
Oh,
Strength.
strength talaga yung ano. So, kung pag sinabing intensity, 7 is how
You feel
you
it.
feel it. Oo.
Okay.
May
Got
magnitude
it.
strength.
Pag sabing intensity, ganun. Next, ito, may ano lang tayo, bonus. Trivia. So, ano na siya, confined to Philippines. So, number 1, the Philippines lies along which major earthquake zone?
Option mo na lang.
Pacific Ring of Fire or Mediterranean Belt?
Pacific. Ring of Fire.
Nasaan ba tayo? Thank you.
What is the most active fault in Metro Manila?
Marikina Fault?
Philippine Trench.
Wala ito ba? Choices are West Valley Fault
West Valley.
or
West.
East Luzon Fault. It's
West Valley. West
So the
Valley.
West Valley Fault runs through parts of Metro Manila and
Pasig
could
kasama
cause
yan.
a major
Ah,
quake.
Metro Manila pala. Okay.
So number 18. Number 3 for the Philippines. What magnitude was the 1990 Luzon earthquake? So 3 years old pa lang tayo. Di ba? Parang ginibawit ko
What
yung age natin.
intensity?
Yung 1990 Luzon earthquake.
Anong option mo?
7.3? 2?
A 7.8, B 6.1,
Siyempre yung malakas.
7.8.
Ako magsi-6 ako.
7.8.
Ah, sige.
So ito magnitude siya.
Yan yung ano tayo, yung Cebu, yung Baguio. Baguio ba yan?
Yung nangyari sa Baguio.
Hindi, 1990 Luzon. Luzon talaga. Marami sa Metro Manila. Metro Manila.
Oh, I should
Ito Baguio and Central Luzon.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Kasi,
Bakit alam mo?
sikat
Oo,
to.
nasa news yan.
Nasa news
Trip
yun.
lang kayo noon.
Oo nga.
Wala kaming TV noon. Okay.
No, you know what happened that time? Nasa Sapalanas kami. Ang
Pero
lakas
remember
talaga.
mo?
Hindi ko makalimutan.
Pero sabi ni Mama, pati daw sa summer,
Meron nga.
na-feel yung
Oo,
yung
I was,
quake.
ano pa, mag-grade
Di rin
one pa
sobrang-
lang.
So, ganun kalakas.
Sobrang dami.
May grade 1 ka, 1990.
Ay, iba
eh.
pala yun. Sorry.
Sobrang nasa news yun. Di ko rin siya makalimutan kasi ang dami sa news na nalibing sa building.
Yeah, nasa news
That's
yun. Tapos sa
fine,
mga
okay.
sa documentaries yun.
Nakita ko lang siya actually last
Pero
night.
Baguio yung naalala ko, hindi Metro
Yung
Manila.
TV Patrol na
Kasi
na
sila
old
yung may...
footage.
So, iba pala yung ibang lindol yung sinasabi ko na naalala ko.
So ito,
Because
next,
I was like-
which Philippine city experienced a deadly earthquake in 2013?
Philippine City?
Option.
Davao?
A. Bohol, B. Cebu.
Bohol.
Bohol.
The 2013 Bohol earthquake, magnitude of 7.2, caused
Yeah.
major
Taas.
damage to heritage sites. Last, what agency monitors earthquakes in the Philippines?
PBOX.
PBOX.
Hi, John Larry.
A. Pag-asa, B. PHIVOLCS.
PBOX.
PHIVOLCS stands for
Philippine Volcanic Seismological...
Call something.
Wait. PhilVox Seismological...
Hindi siya
Cent-
PHIVOLCS,
PBOX.
Pero that's how you pronounce it, Fivox. It's silent L.
Okay. Sabi mo kasi Philvox.
Kasi Philippine. Sige, Fivox.
Oh.
Philippine, Volcanology, Seismologic.
Philippine Institute of
may institute.
Volcanology and Seismology.
Kulang ng
Philippine Institute of Volcanology.
Okay, and that wraps our trivia.
So good.
So I hope marami kayo
practice
matutunan.
our-
Well, it's
Marami kami natutunan.
Gusto lang namin kumuda. Dumaldal.
Okay. Earth Science.
Yes.
Okay, see you
Thank you
next
so
See you.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you for that wonderful night.